Hello friends, welcome to the Phantom Signal channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. Sorry about that. I couldn't upload due to study commitments and some committee guideline issues. Today, I've brought you a very interesting video. About 5 weeks ago, I discovered a bug in the Event Horizon game. I believe it must be a glitch in the game. This bug gives unlimited energy and ammo, which clearly breaks the balance. I hope the developers fix it soon. So let's jump right into the video. I was able to detect this error when using both the repulsion system and the point defense system at the same time. When both systems are running simultaneously, energy consumption stops and the weapon fire rate increases extremely rapidly. I've reported this issue to the game developers, and I hope it gets patched soon. See you again with a new video. Stay safe, and bye, my friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to the Phantom Signal channel.